They live right here in the Valley, and you can learn from them.
When you go to the store, to make a list before you ever get there. Because as you've evaluated your closet, you want to have clear in your mind, what exactly are you looking for?
We try to make shopping a hunting expedition. We're not going in there to graze. We're in there to target something.
America's cheapest family, the Economitas, really know how to stretch a dollar when it comes to clothes shopping. Thrift stores.
They're just racks and racks of clothes, things organized by size, by style, by type. Guys' clothes, women's clothes.
One of their favorites, the Savers on 32nd Street in Cactus. They say you can find all kinds of brand name designers, and with prices like $3.99, how can you go wrong?
All the brand names that you would find at the mall are here at the thrift stores. And if people are a little bit squeamish about used items, I tell them, take them home and wash them.
At Savers, different color tags mean different prices. While they vary from week to week, today, blue means full price and orange means half off. Steve says they even have 99-cent days.
You can go into this thrift store here and we can find outfits probably in less time than it would take you to go to the mall and find them.
Steve and Annette aren't the only ones who love shopping at thrift stores. So do their kids.
They have a list, they know what they're looking for, and really, because they've been buying their clothes since they've been 11 years old, thrift stores help their earning dollars stretch so much further.
We were raised from a very young age to shop thrift stores, and so it was very natural and normal for us.
23-year-old Becky Economitas and two of her 5 siblings, Joseph and Abby, have purchased all kinds of stuff, from jeans to dresses and even a tux.
You can find something that looks like it's new and even has the designer tag on it, and it'll be a quarter of the price.
Now, if Savers doesn't have what they want, the family heads down the street to A Second Look.
Since this is a consignment store, everything that comes in has to be clean, has to be pressed. Sometimes they'll have dry cleaning tags still on them.
To save extra cash at this consignment store, Annette says if an item is still out on the rack after a certain amount of days, people can expect to see anywhere from 25 to 75% off.
It's $31.25.
America's cheapest family not only knows how to save big when it comes to clothes shopping, but it's how they keep track of their finances that helps them even more.
I told Dad once I had like $100 in my bank. It's when I first opened it, and I'm like, if I went to the mall, I could get a shirt and pants. If I went to a thrift store, I could get a whole wardrobe.
Steve believes taking simple steps like this and other advice from their New York Times bestseller book will for sure help families stretch their dollars even farther.
If people read our book and take the baby steps to get going in different areas, they are going to be less stressed.
All right, the family bought a total of 25 items, spending $131.74. And if you'd like to save even more money, Annette says, go through your closet and mix and match those clothes. This way you can piece together a whole new wardrobe without spending a dime.